This is job number ODC-0124. It's a 50-ton down-acting hydraulic press with a 101-inch by 42-inch bed. We're going to run it through a couple cycles here, showing it run, showing the safety features. So go ahead, start it up. First we're going to do an auto cycle. Press comes down. It'll go into slow close and hit the limit switch that's adjustable. And then once it makes contact with the spacer blocks in there, it'll generate the 50 tons. You might be able to see the gauge go up to 50 tons. We've got it set to 15 seconds right now. Once it times out, it'll open up. You'll hear the pneumatic safety, the sawtooth ratchet bar as it goes up. So now what we're going to do is run it down, and Denny's going to break the light curtain. You break the curtain, stops the press. You have to go to the screen and reset it. And then the press will finish its cycle up. This time he's going to start it, and then he's going to open one of the doors on the back. And what that'll do is shut down all power to the press. Or actually, it shuts the motors down. And now he'll go back to the, restart the machine, and then hit a button, either up or down, whatever you want to do. So that completes job number ODC-0124.